Hey everybody, it's Bryan with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace update for you today. This one is one that is kind of crazy that is just now being updated. It's so simple. It's kind of wild that Squarespace hadn't had this updated already. But that is that the date and time picker on things like your blog post, events, and those types of collections. But anyhow, I'm gonna head over to my screen and I'll show you the update now. All right, we're over here on my demo website now, and like I was saying, it's crazy that Squarespace hadn't updated this yet until now, but it's maybe just as crazy that they ever set it up the way that they had initially set it up to begin with. I don't know if you remember. I'm sure you remember the way that it was set up with the date and time. You had the calendar. So let's head over to just for so we can see it. Let's head over to my blog, and then we'll go into the settings on one of these individual posts here, and you'll see here on options the status is published. Okay, when it was published, this is like the default on Squarespace, but they go June of 2019 to June 19th of 2019 for whatever reason. But now you can, this is the same way as before. You can arrow through the months, but on the time, the you used to have a slider and you had to drag it across the bottom and then had to get it exactly on, if you wanted to be posted at noon, it seemed like it always went to 11:59 to 12:01, 11:59 to 12:01, and you couldn't get it just right in the middle there on noon exactly. And you couldn't type on the time. You couldn't click on it like you can now and just type in 12 p.m. and it be set. And then, pick the date, whatever you want it to be, and the time be set. And that seems so simple, but it was very complicated and very finicky for the longest. So glad that they got that updated now. Um, will make everything easy. It's not really anything that I need to show you how to do. It's pretty intuitive now, so it just makes sense. Um, Anyhow, if you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace content like this video. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.